All right, guys, this is my Apimaye beehive setup. I've had this colony here now for about 2 months or so. I started off with one brood box. Eventually, they filled up about eight frames or so. Then I added on the second brood box. Today's just a routine check. If they need some sugar water, I may add it onto it. If not, then it's all good. But last couple times I've checked up on them, the queen's been doing great. The nursing bees have been great. They've all been doing really well. All right, so without further ado, let's get up on in there. One thing I love about the Apimaye is the right here on the side, you can secure the colony. You can secure the hives to one another, so you don't have to worry about putting a cinder block or a brick on top during the windy weather and things of that nature. All you need to do is just, boom, just that on this side. There you go. And then the top comes off. It's a pretty heavy top. And I'm just gonna layer down. And then up here we also have 2 feeders. One thing I like about this new Apimaye feeder system is that you can divide it in case you do want to do, I guess, sort of a split within the brood box. One side of the hive or one side of the box will get fed by this feeder, and then the other side of the box will get fed by that feeder. All right, let's pull these off. Oh, they're awful sticky. Okay. Oh, wow. Built up quite a bit. Got a bee on my on my camera lens there. So they've last time I came out here, there's only on the second brood box, they were probably only up to about here, and as you can see, they're out quite a bit. Let's pull this other feeder off and check up on it. It's quite sticky. Looking for the queen just in case. Don't see her. Lay these girls down. And then we're just gonna take a look. So the Apimaye does come with this little spacer, if you will, right here. Every box comes with it. I use mine, some people don't. After a while, the girls do get kind of busy there and build up on it. So as you can see, it can be a pain to kind of get her up. There we go. It's been about 2 weeks since I checked up on them. About 12 days or so. Yeah, 2 weeks. So let's take a look, see what's going on. All right, guys, outermost frame filled with honey, nectar on both sides. On both sides. I'm going to set it aside. All right, we're off to the right side of the frames, or excuse me, the right side of the box. This is the second brood box, right side. Looks like we have some good activity here. Let me use my hive tool. Really cause too much damage. Okay. All right. Obviously, we pulled from the middle. All right. So we have some capped honey up there. The rest is some nectar, some drawn out comb. Girls are getting busy. I like it. Not really much on this side. Back in there. Let's see what's next. This next frame looks a little busier. You can see. All right, this is the first level here, first brood box. Same dividers are here. Let's go ahead and Full mount. Outermost frame, not much really going on here. As you can see, not much going on. Set that frame aside and we'll move on to the next frame. So we've got some nice comb drawn out on this next plastic frame here. Grab from the middle. All right. We've got some good drawn out comb here. No eggs, a little bit of nectar, and nothing much on the other side. Next frame. Got some brood, cap brood. We'll see a queen. Got some cap brood, so you can see. Check out the other side. All right, a little bit of everything on the other side. You got some larvae, some honey. Look at that larva. Cap brood, larva, young larva. Some small eggs as well. Looking for the queen, see if maybe if I pick her up. Don't see her, but I don't need to see her based upon some of those young eggs, or some of those eggs and larvae that I see there. I'll go next frame. Chances are I'll probably see the queen within these next 3 frames. She's probably somewhere there based upon the activity I see. Let's take a look. All right. Wow. Look at all this cap brood. Look at all this. It's all capped. Beautiful. I don't see her yet. I don't see her. All right, let's take a look at the other side. Wow, beautiful. Some drone brood I see as well. Look at all this. Huh? Beautiful. See if I pick her up. I don't see her here as well. Okay. Right, put this frame back in. Beautiful. Love it. Okay. Go back in. Let's check out the next frame. This next frame looks like I have a little bit of everything, just from what I can see here. Yeah, I sure do. Okay, so I have some cap brood, I have some larvae, I have some bee bread, a little bit of everything. Beautiful. I'll show you some of it real quick. Larva. Larva, cap brood. I don't see the queen here. Let's take a look at the other side. All right. A little bit of everything on this side as well. I've got some cap brood, some larvae, some bee bread. Don't see the queen either. Some drones, some worker bees. Love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see where this queen's hiding at. Okay. So we got this next frame. So far, there's one frame that hasn't really been too busy. Let's see what the rest is doing. Wow. Beautiful larva. Let's see her. I see a lot of larvae. I see a lot of eggs. Wow. Beautiful. Check out the other side. Okay. A lot of eggs, a lot of larvae. A lot of eggs, a lot of larvae. I do not see her on here. But I'm not too worried about it because she's doing her job. Okay, beautiful frame. Egg and larva, a little bit of honey. Move on to the next. Okay. Nice heavy frame, a lot of brood, golly. See if I find her. See a lot of larvae, a lot of brood. Check out the other side. Golly, she's been getting busy. A lot of brood. A lot of brood. Larva. Don't see her. Okay. You can see here. Larva, brood, cat brood that is. Check out the other side. I'll show you guys the other side. A lot of cat brood. Beautiful. Put that back in there. There's our queen. Beautiful. Look at her, that white dot on her. Nothing but eggs in this box.